Hello users, today you will see how to post jobs or tasks in WorkersEngine. So, let's start. Once you log in to your WorkersEngine account, you need to click Post a Job. Then you need to choose location information. From international. If you don't want to post your job to any specific country, then select that country. But if you want to change the location zone, then you can change from here. Then from the bottom, you need to click Next. Then select your category. You will find so many categories on this site. Every category has some subcategory. You need to choose a subcategory as well. Then type the title of your task. You need to type job steps. You can add job steps as many as you want. Once done, ask for job or task proof from workers. This is very important. If you don't ask for proper proof, your job may not complete properly. After completing everything on this page, click Next from the bottom. On the budget and setting page, you need to select how many workers need. Then select how much each worker earns. There is a minimum amount, but you can increase if you want. But you can't make it less than the minimum. You need to add how many screenshots you want as proof. Lastly, you need to mention how many days you need to approve or disapprove the job after workers submitted. If you don't approve or disapprove within that time, admin will approve all pending jobs. So that's important. After checking everything, click on Finish. Your task or job is submitted for admin to check and approve. Once approved, then workers will see your task or job in the Find Jobs section. If you want to see the status of your task or job you posted, can be seen in Posted Job section. Your job will look like this. If you want more worker, or if you want your job should come top of the list, then select Add Workers and Update Job. Now you can see required worker increased. Whenever workers will log in, then they will see your task or job before other jobs. That's all about posting task or job. If you need more help about this, then you can contact WorkersEngine customer support page or WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates and helpful videos about WorkersEngine. Goodbye.